Hi guys, I had quite a few questions coming up about pork rinds. Some people don't eat pork, that's fine. Some people do, so I'm just going to talk about pork rinds. It's really one of the perfect foods if you're on a keto plan because it has zero carbs, a nice balance between fat and protein. However, the quality is really important. I'm going to recommend, and I'll put a link down below, there's a company, US Wellness Meats, has a high quality pork rind product which has sea salt, and their pigs are basically free range. They eat all sorts of things in the wild, but they do feed a little bit of corn and soy, but it's non-GMO. Now the problem is buying this at, the 7-Eleven, things like that. You don't know what you're getting, and a lot of times they put MSG in there. So read the label, make sure it's a higher quality. But it's really good as a chip alternative. People that like that crunchy. I like to crush them up and put them on my salad. Gives a great texture. And also, I have a great recipe for fried chicken using this on the outside of the chicken. You're going to actually bake the chicken, but it tastes identical to fried chicken with certain spices. I'll put a link down below. So if you wanted a good alternative to a crunchy type snack like a chip or something, go with the pork rinds. All right, thanks for watching. Hey guys, a lot of you already have my book, some of you don't, but this new edition called the New Body Type Guide is an upgrade from my last edition called the 7 Principles of Fat Burning. It has 156 images, 378 pages, full glossary. I talk about keto, intermittent fasting, the body types in detail. I have a new stress chapter. I'm going to show you exactly what to eat and a comprehensive FAQ. I put a link down below, check it out.